Hey Monkey Boo, look what we got. Guys, we got some Sticky Ninja. It's made by Hog Wild. And you can do all kinds of stuff with it. It'll stick to surfaces and it splats. Here Boo, you want to open it up? What is that stuff? Open it up. No, that's not it. There you go. Good job, Boo. He said, I know what I'm doing. Oh, no, we don't need that. Look. Right, look. Oh, there he is. Look. Wait, let's see his face, Boo, before. Hello, I'm here to meet Monkey Boo. Ready? Fix that. Go ahead. He's like, hey, Mr. Splat does the same thing that unicorn poop does. Here, watch out for that light socket there, Boo. You know that's what that is. What do you think about that? Squish it out so we can see. Are you fascinated with it? Look, there's his face. He's face down. You're stretching him and stuff. Here, my bad, sir. Okay, let me clean up your work area. Are you working? Okay. Boo, that's not cleaning nothing, I promise. If that's what you think. He's like, I know, just playing. Right here. Watch, let me see it. Watch, Boo. Ready? I know. It's not like slime, it won't tear apart. That's good. Don't prove me wrong. There he is. Get him. Another cool toy that came in the Monkey Boo mail, right? Yeah, Mr. Splat. I can't remember who sent this, Boo. You get so much mail. This is very cool, isn't it? Yeah. Have you had fun playing with Mr. Splat? Oh, this has been a fun video, right, Boo? Yeah, give him a shoulder. Yep. Good boy. Alright guys, Mr. Splat was a lot of fun, right, Boo? Give me a kisses. Hey, man. Oh, he's a good boy. Thank you guys for watching. Mr. Splat says, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. We will see you guys in the next video.